Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12step. Today in this video let's learn about how to add Binance Smart Chain to Metamask. So let's get started. At first let's get into this app Metamask. Now click on this setting icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down to networks. Now click on add network. And here we can see BNB Smart Chain. So let's tap on this and click on add. Here we can see display name BNB Smart Chain 56 and all the details here. You can see more details over here and click on approve. Now simply click on switch to network. So it's done. Now click on got it. So this is all. This is how we can connect Binance Smart Chain to Metamask. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.